Hello people, hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. That is the time to reaction to the Ukrainian entry. The country has selected a group named Ziferblat and with her song Bird of Prat. And what we know about this group, they started in the music in 2015 and their styles of music is rock. They have more than 200,000 listeners in Spotify. Well, I am going to react to their songs, Bird of Prat. Let's go. Oh, nice voice. I didn't expect that of Ukraine. But the songs, the voice really... That's also the European of the East European. But I am impressed with this kind of music, rock, and the voice is really sweet. That called impressive to the viewers in May. The states, the prawns in the states is so peace and love. The dresses is so in the 80s. The dresses remind me to the Beatles a little bit. Okay. Now the performance, the music is going up. No.
Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies. But
Oh.
begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of prey.
I think that the performance is really harmonious. The voice between different singers is really harmonious. So, well, it's nice. I think that it's not the best entry that Ukraine has selected for me, about my opinion, for Eurovision. But I think that it's a cool election. It's a good entry. And maybe she could reach a good position, maybe top 15, top 20. But I think that they are not going to reach a great position. The songs and the performance with the audiovisuals and the prawns in the States could be impressive, but I didn't stay in the performance in the States with them. So I feel about my feelings. I think that they have their target. It's like the people who has maybe 50 years old, 60, 70 years old, more older people, and they could vote for that song. But I think that the millennials and people younger is not going to vote for this song. It's nice songs, but that is the only thing that I have to say about the Ukrainian performance entry and song. So I like it, but not too much. It's good. Well, that is my reaction about the Ukrainian entry. If you like it, give me your like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see all the reactions about this year in Eurovision. If you want to see more, there is a link in the description. And that's it all. Let me in comment what do you think about this song, what position they are going to reach, and see you in the following reactions and videos. Bye!